Hello beta, good morning. Today we'll start our next topic, that is separation of mixtures. Okay. It is one of the important topic. Separation of mixtures. Okay. Mixture means a solution in which two or more substance are present. Okay, there are different method to separate the mixture, but it's depend on both substance are solid or one solid one liquid or both are liquid. Okay, so for separating, first we will see that mixture of two solids. When two solids are mixed to each other, then how to separate. Next, mixture of solid and liquid. Then we will see that mixture of liquid and liquid. ओके, सो इन तीन टॉपिक्स में हम सेपरेशन ऑफ मिक्सचर्स को कवर करेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट, मिक्सचर ऑफ टू सॉलिड्स. हाउ कैन वी सेपरेट मिक्सचर ऑफ टू सॉलिड? इट इज नॉट गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक बट जनरली आस्क्ड इन एग्जाम. When two solids are mixed, suppose if the size of two solids are larger or bigger, then we can separate by using our hand. Suppose mixture of fruits. Mixture of fruits can be separated by hand, but generally it is in lower classes. It will not ask in the 9th standard. Okay, for few other mixture, like a few other mixtures can be separated by threshing, winnowing. We have seen these methods in lower classes in 6th standard or 7th standard. We have seen that how to separate by using winnowing and threshing. What is winnowing? Winnowing is a method in which lighter particles are separated from the heavier particles with the use of blowing wind or fan. And similarly in threshing is a mixture in which grains are separated from the husk particles. Okay, but here we will see some different methods to separate the two solids, and that methods are, first, by using a soluble substance. For separating the mixture of two solids, there are different methods. First one, by using a suitable solvent. First method is by using a suitable solvent. अब ये solvent क्या है? We have discussed already. Sugar and water. If the mixture of sugar and water is present, so water will be present in larger amount, that is solvent. Okay, and next one is, first by using a suitable solvent. Next, by the process of sublimation. Okay, so by the process of sublimation we can separate two solids. And another method is by magnetic separation technique. हम मैग्नेटिक सेपरेशन भी यूज करके सेपरेट कर सकते हैं मिक्सचर्स को. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी दैट बाय यूजिंग ए सुटेबल सब्सटेंस. सुटेबल सब्सटेंस को हम यूज करके कैसे सेपरेट कर सकते हैं? सपोज दैट फॉर एग्जांपल मिक्सचर ऑफ, सबके आप एग्जांपल्स याद रखोगे तो भी आपके लिए थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा. मिक्सचर ऑफ सैंड एंड सॉल्ट if the mixture of sand and salt is present, then how can we separate? By using a suitable solvent. हम एक solvent लेते हैं. Solvent is a matter in which solute are dissolved. So हम एक solvent लेते हैं जिसमें हम इन दोनों को dissolve कर देते हैं. तो that solvent will be water. Water ले लो आप. So water के अंदर जब आप sand and salt को dissolve करोगे तो क्या होगा बेटा? So by using a suitable solvent, that solvent, for separating the sand and salt, we will take a solvent that is water. So when we will dissolve sand and salt in water, we know that salt will dissolve completely in water, but sand will not. Then when we will dissolve, so when salt is dissolved completely, by using filter paper, we will separate sand first, and then जब आपका sand separate हो जाएगा बेटा, तो आपके मिक्सचर में क्या बचेगा आपका water plus salt. Already sand is separated. Then just use evaporation technique, heat the water, heat the solution, water will evaporate and you will get salt. So salt and sand both are separated. समझ में आया? I'm repeating again, by using a suitable solvent we can separate some mixtures. For example, sand and salt or sand and sugar. First we will dissolve in water, then sugar or salt will dissolve completely. So it cannot be filtered by filter paper because it is a true solution. So then we will use a filter paper. First we will separate sand, then after water and salt will be present or left in mixture, then heat that mixture and water will evaporate and we will get our salt or sugar. So that is by using the suitable solvent. Next was by the process of sublimation. हमारा जो नेक्स्ट था दो सॉलिड को सेपरेट करने के लिए, by using sublimation process. What is sublimation beta? Sublimation is a process in which solid is directly converted into gas without undergoing through liquid. सॉलिड से डायरेक्टली गैस और गैस से डायरेक्टली सॉलिड में जब कन्वर्ट होता है कोई चीज, दैट इज कॉल्ड सब्लिमेशन. So mixture of two solids. How can we separate mixture of two solids? By a process of sublimation. In which mixture this technique can be used? Let's see some examples. Mixture of salt plus कैम्फोर. सॉल्ट एंड कैम्फोर का मिक्सचर ले लेंगे. देन बाय यूजिंग द सब्लिमेशन मेथड. सब्लिमेशन मेथड के लिए क्या करना है आपको? जस्ट हीट दैट सॉल्यूशन, दैट मिक्सचर. सो व्हेन वी विल हीट दैट मिक्सचर, वी नो दैट camphor is in the solid form and it is a sublime substance. So when we will heat it, it directly convert into gaseous state and salt will be left. तो हो गया separate आपका. Okay. Similarly, another mixture you can take that, like there are okay, any mixture simple by using sublimation, where we can use sublimation technique. इस पे आपको कैसे क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आएंगे? जस्ट ऐसे क्वेश्चन आएंगे, आपको बहुत सारे मिक्सचर दिया जाएगा, पूछा जाएगा विच टेक्निक इज यूज टू सेपरेट. सो आपको उस मिक्सचर को देखना है कि उसमें सब्लिमेशन लग सकता है कि नहीं. जनरली मिक्सचर ऑफ सॉलिड्स के ऊपर आपको डिटेल्स में एग्जाम में नहीं पूछेंगे. ओनली दे विल गिव यू सम एग्जांपल्स एंड विल आस्क विच टेक्निक विल यूज इन दिस वन. ओके बेटा. सो बाय यूजिंग द सब्लिमेशन, वेयर सब्लिमेशन टेक्निक कैन बी यूज्ड, जिसमें कोई एक सबलाइम पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट हो. दोनों मिक्सचर में से, दोनों सब्सटेंस में से एक सब्सटेंस हो जो सब्लिमेशन प्रोसेस जिसमें होता हो, एक सबलाइम होना चाहिए, एक नॉन सबलाइम होना चाहिए। ऐसे मिक्सचर को सब हम सेपरेट करेंगे तो हम यूज करेंगे सब्लिमेशन मेथड। बहुत सारे सब्सटेंस है जो सबलाइम नहीं होते, जैसे चॉक, आयरन फिलिंग्स, सैंड, सॉल्ट, sugar, these are non-sublime substance. So when they are mixed with some sublime substance like ammonium chloride, iodine, camphor, naphthalene ball, okay, so when they will mixed with sublime substance, that time we will use sublimation process, sublimation technique. Understood beta? Third one is magnetic separation. C1, magnetic separation. So where we can use this technique? In any mixture, if iron fillings or iron particles are present, if we want to separate the iron fillings from a mixture of sand and iron fillings or from garbage, we will use magnetic separation technique. So with the help of magnet, we know that iron will be attracted towards the magnet. So जब आप मैग्नेट वहां पे लेके जाओगे, आयरन उसमें स्टिक हो जाएगा और आपका आयरन सेपरेट हो जाएगा. So magnetic separation technique is used where one of the substance present in mixture is iron fillings. Okay, in any scrap, any garbage materials or any mixture, if one substance is iron, their magnetic separation technique will be used. Okay beta, in next video we will see that what here we have seen that mixture of solid and solid. In next video we will see that how to separate one solid and one liquid. Okay beta, please read the lesson properly. Thank you.